Welcome back to this video. Do you actually know that you can simply block spam video calls in Google Meet? Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on Google Apps, then make sure you go to Meet. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Course. Then take you right here. Then right here, you have under your recent activities right here, what you need to do is to choose the actual contacts you want to block from them. So for you to do that, simply click on these three dots right here, and then you have block user right here. Simply click on that, and this person won't be able to contact you directly, but they can still join group calling or meeting that you are in. Simply click on report as a spam. So simply click on report as spam, then click on block. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.